Hey guys, welcome back. It's not so early in the morning, but it was when we got moving. We are already in Watrous, Saskatchewan, making our way to the Manitoba Mega Run, just outside of Beausejour, Manitoba. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your hometown. I really don't know the pronunciation. That said, there's a big run at Seddon's Corner that I kind of got invited to, and we're bringing the big guns. The diesel in haul mode and obviously Rexus. So for those that have been waiting for me to bring Rexus back to the channel, it is back with some fresh rework on the PCV system and some fresh off-road content. And I also brought a partner. This is Jason from Overland, Alberta.
How's it going, guys?
He has come along for the trip, and he did not bring his Jeep. We figured we'd get him in on some Rexus action.
Absolutely. I'm excited to see this Rexus in action.
He's already gotten to see how the Dodge pulls. Only one small minor issue going on, but that, as you guys know, my turbo is not so happy. That's it. We're going to make some more miles. I just figured I'd say hello from Watrous, and we'll keep rolling.
Awesome stuff.
But I pulled my dash cam out because I wanted to review some footage.
I got some cool dash cam footage of
Awesome. But guys, we made it to Yorkton, Saskatchewan. We're just stopped for a quick meal at the Yorkton Mall here at Mona's. Shout out to you guys. Great sandwich, and the salad was tasty too. So we're just making some miles. We're actually RJO. We're just making our way to Dauphin. We're gonna take a bit of the scenic route and continue on, doing a quick trailer check, probably top up with fuel. We're in our last 500-ish kilometers, and we'll be good to go. Hey guys, we are in Manitoba, and I saw this. It's on the wrong side of the highway sign now, but I saw this and I said I have to stop and take a video of that because what? What in the heck? Tutinoau was a being? Huh? Hey guys, well, not without drama, never any drama on this channel. The Dodge was giving me all kinds of grief. The transmission gave me a check engine light, the engine gave me a check engine light, I lost all boost, and the lightning bolt, the dreaded lightning bolt popped up on the instrument cluster. So, pulled over, took a look, and then the trailer brake controller was giving me issues saying trailer disconnected. So we kind of went through, found two lights on my trailer that had obviously taken a rock today or in the past little bit. We went across a muddy bridge. So there's reconstruction here in Manitoba on one of the roads, and getting really close to Dauphin. And I'm guessing that I shorted out the lights because then I had nothing but problems. The truck was drivable, but it had no power. It was throwing like check engine lights that honestly didn't make any sense, like cylinder 6 misfire, line pressure low, just kind of things that. And then throttle control circuit. I had a throttle control circuit error code. Things that just didn't make any sense. So luckily I brought my laptop. I have my phone with Alpha OBD. The laptop I have AppCar on to do some diagnostics troubleshooting. But in the process, we probably had the power off long enough that the truck kind of got rid of what I'm thinking was an electrical fault coming from the trailer, causing some electrical gremlins, I guess is what you guys. I can already tell the transmission's downshifting nicely. Other thing we did is we flipped open the flap for the transmission cooler on the bottom of the truck. Transmission's down to about 76 degrees. So maybe I was running a little hot on the tranny, but either way, we're gonna keep moving forward. We are into Manitoba here about an hour in now, and we got 3 hours to go yet.
guys, welcome back. We are in Manitoba for the winter mega run. We got Rexus out, Jason's out just checking out the scenery. People are starting to show up. We showed up a little bit early. We are on top of the hill already, and I can tell you it is way steeper than videos explain. Guys just getting their stuff ready. That second gen looks like he's changed over his tires, but overall very happy. Rexus seems to be running good. Aired down to between 10 and 12 psi in all four corners. Traction seems pretty good. I'm going to have to watch my throttle for the day because already coming up the hill, the ground's really hard and I've got really soft front suspension, so I could bounce the front end really good and I don't need to blow another pinion. Let's go check out the action. Woo. A little soupy action going on. Like I said, guys, you do not need a lot of rev bombs today to go up. He's just for the most part crawling up. Ford Raptors, Dodge Cummins, Mega Cab. Like there's so many generations here right now, like the age group, it's crazy. Doesn't want to be cut out. Maybe he wants to get himself out and watch because he's steering straight left here.
go beast.